what's different about you guys? You know, you were knocking on the door and you were in front of us, you know what I mean? Rather than everybody that's here today and gone tomorrow. Market changes, they're gone. You haven't let us down.
Hey, this is Greg and Jesse with Contend Capital. We're here at the Able Machine Tool Open House for the next stop on our Made in America tour.
Able Machine Tool Sales is the leading dealer for DN Solutions, Makino, and several other brands here in New England. We've been really fortunate to have partnered with them over the last 5 years as their financing partner. Really excited to go in and check out their open house today. How has the turnout been for the open house so far?
The turnout's been unbelievable.
Wow.
We're thrilled.
That's
We're thrilled.
awesome. What are some of the things that help Able stand out and keep your repeat customers?
You know, that's a good question. We pride ourselves on support of the product. We've got an award-winning service department. Our parts people are second to none in getting parts to our customers in a timely manner. Customer support layered with good salesmen seems to be a winning combination.
People mention, you know, they've worked with their Able sales engineer for years. It
Yeah.
seems like most of your guys have been with you for a long time.
Yeah,
Is that kind of the case?
We don't have a lot of turnover, I'll tell you that right now. I mean, if you look at most of our guys have been here all well over 12 years.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
You don't see that
We
nowadays.
got 7 of them, so yeah.
That's wild.
Boy, I've been with Able 27 years now. The attention to the customers is definitely number one, and everybody here knows it.
Absolutely. It feels like in the Northeast, you know, everyone looks so highly of Able, and I think that's probably a testament of what they do and you guys do.
Yeah, well, we appreciate it. All the people work here. Like, I have a great connection from service to applications, and truly, I tell customers, I'm like, hey, I have my cell phone, so if you guys run into a problem, you're down, I mean, call me anytime, and I know, you know, our people respond, so.
We've worked together for a couple of years. Do you remember how we met through Contend or what that experience was like, you know, working with our firm?
We had connected, and you took the time to talk to my customers, to visit them. In all the situations, you really went to bat and kind of, you know, listen to their story, and were able to get them financing. So you really help out the customers.
Are we actually that easy to work with? Is that what customers are saying?
Absolutely. With financing, I've got to know you and trust you, and I just tell them, look, talk to Jesse, because he will talk you through it, give you different plans, and you know, he's not going to give you bad advice. And you know, at the end of the day, whether you finance or not, you know, you're going to have an informed decision just by talking to him. And I mean, that's why, I mean, I think they end up trusting you too.
So there you have it, a world-class open house by the team at Able Machine Tool Sales.
Really a record turnout today. Their second day of the open house, over 300 people showing up, really showing manufacturing is indeed still thriving right now. If you enjoyed this content, check out our next video.